opinion, best VS Code extensions for JavaScript. 1. Live Server. Live Server is a popular extension for Visual Studio Code, a code editor. It allows you to create a local development server that serves your web application or website, providing real-time live reloading as you make changes to your code. Live Server simplifies the development process by automatically refreshing the browser whenever you save a file, so you can instantly see the updated version of your website without manually refreshing the page. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web technologies. The extension also provides a range of additional features to enhance your development workflow, such as CSS injection, which allows you to inject updated CSS styles into the page without refreshing, and multi-browser support, which lets you preview your changes across different web browsers simultaneously. To use Live Server, you can follow these steps. 1. Open your code editor and navigate to the extensions marketplace. Search for Live Server and install the extension. 2. Open your HTML file. Open the HTML file you want to work on in your code editor. 3. Launch Live Server. Once you have the HTML file open, you can launch Live Server. Look for the Go Live button in the bottom status bar of your code editor. It typically appears as a blue Go Live button or as an icon with 2 arrows in a circle. Click on it to start the server. 4. Access your live website. After starting Live Server, a new browser tab will open automatically, displaying your HTML file. Any changes you make to the HTML file will be immediately reflected in the browser without the need to manually refresh the page. 5. Make changes and see the live updates. You can now start editing your HTML file. As you make changes and save the file, Live Server will automatically refresh the browser tab, showing you the updated version of your website in real time. 6. Utilize additional Live Server features. Live Server offers additional features to enhance your development experience. For example, you can enable CSS injection to see immediate updates without refreshing the page, or you can configure Live Server to open the browser on a specific port or URL. That's it. You can now use Live Server to streamline your web development process by instantly previewing changes in your browser. Remember to save your changes to see the live updates. 2. REST Client. 3. .env. 4. JavaScript Booster. 5. ESLint.